last few videos, the question has been asked, when am I going to have to use this, et cetera, et cetera. We're talking very theoretically when it comes to math. How is this going to relate to my life? Okay, right? So let's be honest here. Most of the time when we're talking about math, what we really want to know is how am I going to make money from it and how math relates to me making money. 3 terms here: profit, cost of production, and sale price. Matt, can you tell me what is the relationship between profit, cost of production, and sale price?
I don't know.
Okay, let's think about it. What is profit?
Making money.
Making money, the amount of money you make. What's the cost of production?
How much it costs to make stuff.
Right. And what is the sale price?
The price consumers pay.
Yeah, so I have the amount of money I'm gonna make, the cost that took for me to make whatever I'm making, and what price I'm gonna sell whatever it is that I'm making, right? These 3 things. So if I were to try to set this up, let's say in a formula, how would I relate these 3 things? Profit, cost of production, and sales price. Take a guess. Take a guess. How would I say, well, I'll start you off. At the end of the day, I want to make a profit, right? So what am I going to have to do with these other 2 things? I got the cost of production and my sale price. So what's going to have to happen here for me to make a profit? Cost of production, what? I got profit here and I got my cost here. So what am I going to have to do with the sale price to get a profit?
It's the sale price minus cost.
There we go. So my sale price minus my cost of production gives me my profit, right? So if I'm making a shirt, right, and I sell the shirt at $30, but it only costs me $5 to make, then I'm making $25 for every shirt. That's my profit, right? Now, here's the thing. This formula right here is how you will always make money. Plain and simple. And this is something that people know intuitively. Whatever I sell it at, if I sell it at a higher price than it costs for me to produce it, then I'm gonna make a profit. And that is the formula right here mathematically on how you make money forever. As long as you know what it costs to make something and how you can sell it, then you're gonna make a profit. So when people ask me, how is math relevant to my life? Here it is. And it may not seem all that amazing or that spectacular, but when you really think about the amount of things that you could sell and make and all that other stuff, there's almost an unlimited way that you can make profit. So at the end of the day, if you want to know how math will help you make money, here it is, plain and simple. But I still got more to tell you because some of you guys are saying, oh yeah, that's cool, but I want to do more problem solving stuff, more creative stuff. I got that for you too. Stick around.